Starting around 25 August 2023, AMP sort of is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.36% in most recent 60 minutes, which most certainly is very critical. AMP for the most part has a genuinely all-out market cap of $100,794,780, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,989,167 in an unobtrusive manner. This explicitly makes AMP especially positioning at 193 in the digital money market, which is genuinely huge. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023. What will AMP generally be especially worth in 2023 in a fundamentally huge manner? Is AMP a wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, really in spite of prevalent thinking? Will AMP cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed high, which in a real sense is very huge? These basically are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future in a by and large significant manner. AMP value expectation 2023, as per the AMP estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the AMP cost in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.003, the normal essentially least value worth of AMP, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to in a real sense be $0.003. So sort of is AMP a genuinely wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023 in an in every way that really matters, large way. Besides, AMP can in a real sense arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.003, or so they essentially thought. AMP value estimate August 2023, in August 2023. The especially greatest cost for AMP could in a real sense stretch around $0.003, which really is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of AMP in August 2023 in every practical sense is $0.003 with a for the most part normal cost of $0.003, or so they truly thought. AMP value conjecture September 2023, in September 2023. The cost of AMP by and large is estimated to basically be at around a very least worth of $0.003, which basically is genuinely huge. The AMP value worth can generally arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of $0.003, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, most certainly further appearance. How AMP explicitly has a sort of all-out market cap of $100,794,780, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,989,167 in an in every way that really matters huge way. AMP value estimate October 2023, the AMP gauge for October 2023. Expects that the AMP may truly arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.003 with a truly least cost of around $0.003, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value AMP can truly stretch around $0.003 for October, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. AMP value figure November 2023, the AMP cost for November 2023. May truly arrive at the very least worth of $0.003, while the kind of most extreme gauge value, sort of is around $0.003, showing that AMP value estimate August 2023, in August 2023, the genuinely greatest cost for AMP could really stretch around $0.003 in a kind of significant manner. The typical cost for AMP generally is especially anticipated to in every practical sense reach $0.003 in November 2023, which explicitly shows that for the most part is AMP a by and large wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in a by and large significant manner. AMP value figure December 2023, in December 2023. The cost of AMP for the most part is gauged to sort of be at around an especially least worth of $0.003, which generally is very huge. The AMP value worth can explicitly arrive at a limit of $0.003, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, showing the way that the AMP value worth can basically arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.003, with the in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how AMP especially has a sort of complete market cap of $100,794,780, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,989,167. In an especially significant manner, AMP genuinely passed value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto by and large has been somewhat diminished by 6.66% in its ongoing worth, which especially is genuinely huge. Assuming we explicitly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap by and large is likewise down amazingly. From especially most recent 7 days, the AMP generally was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.35%. Truly further appearance how besides AMP can explicitly arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.003, or so they certainly thought. AMP essentially has shown exceptionally serious areas of strength of potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and contribute, which most certainly shows that starting around 25 August 2023. AMP explicitly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.36% in truly most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP explicitly diminished by 40.327%, dispensing with an incredible by and large normal amount of $0.002 from its fundamentally current worth kind of additional appearance. How this basically makes AMP in every practical sense, positioning at 193 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be an especially decent for the most part purchase, a valuable open door for genuinely fast venture, which in a real sense shows that this certainly makes AMP exceptionally positioning at 193 in the digital money market in a genuinely significant manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 51.19%, and the cost in every way that really matters coursed from a fundamentally least certainly normal cost of $0.005 to sort of greatest truly normal cost of $0.005 in the sort of beyond 90 days. Showing how inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP sort of diminished by 40.327%, wiping out an incredible truly normal amount of $0.002 from its especially current worth, extremely further appearance. How this in a real sense makes AMP essentially positioning at 193 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. AMP truly is somewhere near 23.25%. With the really most extreme certainly normal cost of the coin basically was around $0.003, and the truly least kind of typical cost